Learned on this vlog on how to clean your indoor air conditioning system. First step is to disable the part in order to clean the purifying filter, the other parts like the panel. We must done it 6 months. Okay, so every 6 months. Ayan na guys, ayan, natanggal na rin. Mahirap pala ito tanggalin. As after disabling the other parts, so yan, start na tayo for cleaning using, of course, the pressurizing water. Next step guys, ayan, para hindi madumi yan o makalat ang paligid, ito, we need to cover para hindi magkalat. Ayan, si kuya naman, ayan, binawash niya yung filter. Next step, pressurizing water in this part, but be careful for the motherboard. Diyan kasi dinadali yung ng langgam ay yung motherboard, mainit. Kaya ingatan ng motherboard. Our last part, cleaning the outside of this aircon. So since it's a split part yan, nakikita nyo naman, kailangan din malinis yan. Ayan, tapos na po guys, bumalik na sa bango. Ayan, tumutulog.